Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review a potty seat. So guys, let's get down to the review of the product. So guys, this is a Corsa Ferrari style potty seat for kids, and this is how we get the package. Basically, these are various parts that come in the package. So this is the main potty seat here. Then we have the handlebars here, the steering wheel, the connectors, and this is a potty bowl which goes in this like this. So this is a potty bowl here. You can place it up this way and your child can sit on top of it. So this is a potty bowl here. It's very easy to assemble this potty seat. Very simple assembly. Yeah. So the best part of this potty seat is there are no sharp edges. It's made from good quality plastic, and it's a good product here because it has made from good quality plastic and it doesn't have any sharp edges to it. So you can see like it's a complete plastic product here, PPF free plastic used here. Now along with this seat you get this potty bowl in which actually all the potty gets collected. So like this, it fits in like this. You keep it this way and your child can sit on top of it and do potty. This is a car style potty seat and it has lovely stickers on top of it. There's a car shown here and there are eyes here, eye stickers here, which make it attractive for the kid to like actually go and sit on it. The assembly is very simple. These are the parts that come with it. You just need to put this here into place. On the other side, go on the other side. This is a screw that comes with it. You just need to go and screw it up. And this is how it goes in. You screw this part up and the handlebar is in place. So like this. The body comes here. Next up is the steering wheel. The steering wheel goes in this. So it's in a square shape, so you need to see the square shape like this. So it goes in like that. And then this is the top of the steering wheel which goes in here. The steering wheel also is in place, and now this is a Corsa Ferrari style potty seat ready to be used. They have a steering wheel which moves a bit, so the kid can have fun while they are doing their thing, and they'll absolutely enjoy it and they will give it a try. So that is the most important part of potty training, where you have to get the child ready to sit on the potty first of all. So this design of this product makes it very attractive for the child to come and sit. He thinks it's a car, he'll come and sit on it and he'll enjoy his time sitting on it. So that is the best part of this product I like. Now coming to the price of the Corsa Ferrari style potty seat, the price is rupees 430 and it's available on Amazon. And if you guys are intending to buy this product, I'll leave the link in the description below so you all can buy it from Amazon. And guys, if you all like this product, do hit a like on my video and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing product reviews.